9:43. You can call them 60s relics or hippie home decor, but lava lamps have been casting their light for more than half a century. So it's surprisingly easy to make a lava lamp at home, and our friends at STEM Nola are here to show us how to do it and, of course, the science behind it. With us this morning, let's welcome from STEM Nola, Alex Lafargue and Nakai Carter from Southern University. Thanks for being here. Okay, when I think of lava lamps, I don't think about all these ingredients. I mostly just think of something you plug in the wall and the heat gets it going. But this is a different way to do it. What is the science behind what we're doing today?
So the science behind this is very simple, actually. You just learned about the different densities between water and oil and how the density for the food coloring pairs with the water. And then you learn about the chemical reaction from the Alka-Seltzer, how it produces CO2.
Okay, and so that's what's going to give us that lava lamp effect with the Alka-Seltzer. So no heat involved.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's show us how it's done.
So first, you're going to untop your oil, of course.
Okay.
And then you're going to pour water into your bottle.
Okay. All the way to the top?
Yeah, about all the way to the top.
There we go.
And you notice how the water went to the bottom, like I said.
Yeah, look at that.
That's the difference in the densities. Then you're gonna add the food coloring.
How much food coloring do you add?
Only about 3 or 4 drops.
3 or 4 drops?
Because if too much, it all mush together and ruin the lava lamp effect.
Okay. Okay.
All right, and next?
Next, you're gonna take your Alka-Seltzer tabs.
This feels just like an old school science fair project. I love it. This is easy for families to do at home with their kids. Of course, have them help open up the Alka-Seltzer tablet. Okay.
Yes.
Do you break it apart?
Yes.
Break it in
your
half.
Alka-Seltzer tab in half so it fits in the bottle, of course.
Okay. And drop them in.
So notice how immediately it starts to
Bubbles.
bubble.
Ah!
It might bubble over if you have too much like
Keep
me.
paper towels on hand.
But
Oh, it's cool looking though. Look at that.
yes, that's because of the chemical reaction I told you about.
Yeah.
Once it gets to the top, the bubbles release a gas and they mix with the color. And
How long will this present for?
about 30 seconds.
About 30 seconds. So you can keep making it over and over again, right? Mm-hmm. That's really cool.
Now I suggest you don't do as much as I did because
You know what? That's why you keep paper towels on hand. It makes for a fun, easy cleanup type of experiment at home. And this is great fun for families to do when look, it's 115 or it feels like 115 degrees outside. You can do this indoors.
Of course.
But families at home who might want to get their kids involved in more science projects like this, how can they get involved with STEM Nola?
Well, of course. So Nakai actually has been with us for over 12 plus years.
Amazing.
So if you want to get your student involved, you can just check us out on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all at STEM Nola, as well as our website, stemnola.com.
And Nakai, tell us about being involved with STEM Nola. I mean, for 12 years, that's huge. You must really like it.
so I actually love it. I've been involved with STEM Nola for 12 years. We do a lot of cool things, especially during the summer. Like most recently, we were with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers at the Bonnie Carey Spillway.
That's cool.
Learning about levees and water walls and stuff, and learning about how those things work.
That's really neat. That's really cool. And what are you studying?
Oh, I'm going to college for business administration.
All right. Good luck to you. Thanks for being here. And we appreciate, this is a fun experiment. Who knew how to make a lava lamp just with a few ingredients there? Thanks, guys. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, coming up.